Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript web designing tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a multicolor background text box using CSS styles. So let's start the tutorial. And this is a multicolor text box. See, here we got the text box is a multicolor. If I add Charan, see, James. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a JavaScript-tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me add one new HTML file to this folder, multicolor textbox.html, and here we got the newly created HTML file is open. Let me minimize this Explorer, as well as I'm closing this welcome page. Now let's write the coding part. Now let's add the basic HTML doc type. Close the HTML element. Inside this HTML element, I'm adding header section. Below the header section, I'm adding body tag. Now inside this body, I'm adding one center element. C small center H1. How to create a multicolor text box using CSS styles. After that, I'm adding one horizontal line. Now here one input type is equals to text and plus holder, enter some text, the placeholder. I'm closing the text box. Up to now we have just finished the designing part to display header tags and one HTML input text box element. Now in the header section, I am adding styles to create the multi-color text box. So first, hash represents the ID of the element. So here is equals to text color, text COL is the ID, text color. Now inside this text color, I am adding border 1 pixel, solid, this is single column, padding 5 pixels, color of the text color, I am adding white, text align is center, border radius is 5 pixels. Now the last important step to add the multiple colors to the text box is a background linear gradient to right. So I'm adding colors from the right side. Red, let's add some light red. Depends on what the color you require, you just add that one. Here, just for the demo purpose, I am adding some random colors, green and gray. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file. Save. Now we will check the final output of our application. Open our file explorer and my folder is E drive, JavaScript tutorials, and this is a multicolor text box. See, here we got the text box is a multicolor. If I add Charan, see, James. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have showed how to add a multicolor text box background color using simple CSS styles. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.